Well, welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques and a nice piece of George Jones Crescent China to show you this morning. A nice sugar bowl, dates from 1925, and we know that because quite a few pieces in this set actually had date stamps on them. The pattern is 27066. There's the George Jones Crescent mark. England, GJ and Sons in that crescent fashion. Absolutely typical mark of the correct period. Just look at the brightness of the glaze reflection on this sugar basin. Nice little pedestal footed black and white transfer print that's then been hand coloured. So all this colour decoration put onto the black and white transfer prints done by hand by the decorators. That's been picked up on the inner wall. You've got three blocks of coloured fruit. Drops really, aren't they, with that sort of neoclassical black transfer banding around the inner wall that's picked up on the midsection of the outer wall of this sugar basin. Lovely and clean interior, good glaze reflection, no crazing, no damage whatsoever, in absolutely fine condition. We have got trios in this particular design also available on the website, so if you're looking to put a tea set together, I think there's milk jug, sugar basin and some trios available. Thanks for watching.